Hey guys, what's up? Argonaut here. Just got something to show you guys really quickly. It's my new toy. So yeah, let's get started. I know a lot of you have been seeing that I wanted to get a specific gun, and it's actually going to come to a surprise to most of you because that's not the one I got. So without further ado, let me present to you the KWA CQR Mod 2. So why I didn't get the ICS G33 is because first it wasn't in stock at my store, and second I was just going through it, going through with my head and stuff, and just said, you know what, everyone's getting an M4, everything's an M4 platform, so might as well just go over to an M4. So I basically gave in. So I will now take the camera and move closer to unbox it. Alright guys, so it just comes in a standard KWA box. It's not flip up anymore, it's going through the side. So I'll open it from this side. It's somewhat hard to get out. Alright, so here's a box. I got 2 extra magazines with it, so, well, I didn't order it, but I got from Dave and Sheila's Airsoft. Check them out, guys. So I just put those in there. So first few things you get with it, KWA sticker, warranty card, operator's manual, and inside the operator's manual there'll be a card saying that this gun is LIPO ready when you are. So just saying that it's safe to use a LIPO in this gun. Don't exceed anything over 1100, 11.4 LIPO 20C. So this is basically how the gun is going to come. Let me just get that out. So if you can see it, you have the gun, front side adjustment tool, some Allen keys to disassemble the gun, the magazine, a barrel cover, and actual gun itself. So let me take the gun now. Oh, and the de-jamming rod, which is on the bottom of the gun. So there you have it. Let me just get this magazine out, which is, you know. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna go outside and actually test shoot it for you. Alright guys, so I got the KWA CQR that I just got. Gonna be shooting a target that's about 50 feet away with 0.25 gram BBs from Elite Force and a 9.6 volt 1600 mAh battery. Alright, so let's get started. So there you guys have it, KWA CQR Mod 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it.